Scammers are everywhere. You can never get rid of them. You can never avoid them. They are everywhere. And today I want to show you a scam that's all over YouTube. And it's very clever the way that these people have done it. So I don't want people getting scammed. And yeah, you have to be a bit stupid to fall for this. But trust me, if you're a little bit hyped up and you see something like this, I can see why people fall for it. So here we go. Right. You will see on YouTube these live videos. And they appear to have a lot of followers on there, which is obviously bot accounts. Now the one that I'm watching has 18,000 people watching it. And if we watch it, you'll see what I mean. Now this is live, right?
Of deflation, I think, is going to be a real thing. There's going to be good deflation caused by innovation, so demand will boom because of that. There's going to be bad deflation because so many.
So they've got that Kathy lady from ARK on there. They've got Elon Musk and they've got Jack Dorsey and some other guy on there. I can't actually scroll through it, but basically it's saying there's a giveaway here and you can participate by going onto this website, following the QR code, and it's Elon Musk. He's got a little message here saying he's giving away 100 billion or whatever that is Shiba and 5,000 Bitcoin and 50,000 Ethereum. And obviously you go on this website to see what's going on.
From 0809, that counterparty
Now, it
risk.
looks like this is live. It looks like this is real. There's 18,000 people watching. You're seeing that. You're thinking, oh my god, this is nuts. You can see the other ones up there as well. Now, if we go on the website, these are very professionally made as well. If we go on the website, right, we're gonna select that we want to get involved in Bitcoin. So let's click participate. So how do we participate in this? So this is basically requesting us to send our Bitcoin and we receive twice the Bitcoin back. Now you copy that address in Bitcoin to it. Now this live transaction here, see, these are live transactions going on now apparently. Now obviously I did see one before where you could actually copy the transaction ID and put it into the blockchain, and it actually comes up as a real transaction. So whoever's doing this is literally just copy and pasting things from the actual blockchain. It's probably a bot that's doing it all. Now, it looks very similar to the Shiba Inu site as well. And you can click view the rules, and you got this little converter here where you can choose, you send 5, you get 10. And in another video here, you can see it's the exact same thing.
Credit arrangements with each partner. In each destination market,
we are giving away blah
with
blah
more
blah,
overhead
receive
and more
blah
management.
blah blah, double you blah blah blah.
Ripple's product line of credit
Brad
solves this
Garlingo,
problem by
CEO
providing
Ripple.
upfront access
That
to
looks
capital
real.
for
3,000
every market
people
through
watching.
one simple credit arrangement.
I mean, the other one having 16,000 people watching it. These are obviously bot accounts. This is nuts. If you fall for this is nuts.
To do that is to set up shop here.
The sales process can be a long
and
and
neither
windy
are.
journey. HelloSign helps you get every contract signed much faster.
Might be implemented. And
there are so many of these things.
So then, speaking of the kind of the base,
and here's another one counting down so you can join the event. And it's just nuts. Do not fall for this rubbish. It's absolutely rubbish. Don't fall for it. And I feel sorry for the people that have actually sent their Bitcoin and stuff to this, because there's people desperate at the moment, especially with what's going on with prices of everything going up. People are desperate, so this is quite a scummy thing to do. But God knows who's running this, because there's so many of them, and I see them every Sunday. And I did record a video, but for some reason the camera was lagging on it, so I did it last week. But yeah, this is a warning to everybody: do not fall for this rubbish. This is absolute rubbish. You will not see those Bitcoins or crypto. You really think Elon Musk is going to give away Bitcoin and stuff like that without even putting it on his Twitter? And there was actually one. No, it wasn't Elon Musk, but they actually hacked somebody's Twitter and got the tweet put out there for one of these things. It got removed very quickly, but still, these guys are serious. I mean, funnily enough, I've just clicked another one on another link on another video, and I've actually got a warning on this, but we'll continue to this website. I mean, they get banned all the time, but they just start a new stream. It won't even let me on. Yeah, they just start a new stream and they carry on. They don't care. They just start a new stream. Bitcoin event. And there you go again. It looks very professional. Looks very good. It's the same thing about doubling coins. Look, send that, you get that back. There's the thing, waiting for payment. That's not going to move from saying waiting for payment. You're going to lose your crypto. And as everybody knows, crypto is untraceable. to an extent. So you're not going to see these coins, so do not fall for this. It's absolute rubbish, and it's really scummy as well, like I said. And how these actually start as well, if you go up, right, you click on one of these videos, then the others lead to everything else. Because it actually took me a while to find it. I did see this afternoon, but I wasn't recording the video then, so I actually searched to find it. But once you got one, you will get recommended them all day. And they never say nothing about the giveaway in the description. It's always once you click it. So it's all about Bitcoin this, Bitcoin that. But anyway, stay safe out there and don't fall for any of this rubbish.